Welcome back to another tech tip here from Doyle Dodge Service. This time we're going to be talking about the importance of retorquing your wheel nuts after we've performed service on your vehicle or switched your tires over. When torquing the wheel nuts to the proper setting or specification, the wheel nut stretches ever so slightly to form the proper bond between the rim of the vehicle and the vehicle itself. Too loose and the wheel nut can loosen itself off, possibly causing your tire to come off. Too tight and the lug itself will stretch and can possibly break, also causing the wheel to come off. So after about 50 to 100 kilometers, we request that you come back so that we can just double check the torque and make sure that it hasn't loosened itself off, as the tires do experience a lot of strain and stress while you're driving. This way it also eliminates the possibility for human error, and we make sure that everything is safe and secure moving forward. When applied to the lug nut and the desired torque is reached, there's an audible click from the torque wrench, which doesn't actually tighten the nut any further, indicating to the technician that the wheel is tight enough. And they're checked in an alternating pattern to make sure that the wheel isn't tightened down unevenly and bend the rim. So the whole process takes about 60 seconds and there's no appointment needed. A little bit of peace of mind goes a long way.